So we have already created, when you will go to sources, we can see that we have already created two files, that is decoder 2 cross 4 and priority encoder 4 cross 2. Now we have to add the third source, that is, and then click add or create design sources, then click next, and we have to create a file, and file type should be VHDL, and file name we will copy from here. So we are going to create a decoder 328. So copy this name and paste it here. So decoder 328, and then click OK, and then finish. And here the 328 will be of structural type because we are using 2 to 4 for creating 3 to 8. So we will use the 2 cross 4 decoder to create the 3 cross 8 decoder. So write the architecture name as structural, and the port name should be, so here decoder will have 3 inputs and 8 outputs. So let us see the inputs and outputs in the code we took. So A is the input, which is of 3 bits, and Y is the output, which is of 8 bits. So let us write the same here. So port name will be A, which will be of input type, and you have to click the bus, and then you have to select MSB as 2 and LSB will be 0. That is A2, A1 and A0, 3 bits. Similarly, the output will be Y and the direction will be out, and select bus, and here MSB will be 7. So total 8 bits of output. Now we have to click OK. When you will click OK, a new file will be created in the design sources, that is decoder 3 to 8 structural, we can see. And when we will double click this file, you will get to see the code on the right side of your screen. Then we can remove this unnecessary comments, and after removing this unnecessary comments, we will copy the rest of the code. Let us check the code. Here we can see that entity has been created, and now we have to call the 2 cross 4 decoder in our code. So how we will call that 2 cross 4 decoder? So see, first of all we have to declare the component. Okay, so copy this component here. So after architecture you can copy that, and after that you have to define two signals which are internal signals. So copy these two signals, and here you can copy those signals, and after doing that we have to call those call the component we declared, that is decoder 2 to 4. So for creating 3 cross 8 decoder we need two 2 cross 4 decoders. So 2 times calling will be done. So copy this complete code after begin, and copy this in the code window. So here so you have to click no, and when you will click you have copied it, then go for save button. After saving it, when you will click the save button, we can see that decoder 3 cross 8 automatically came to the top, but still we will set it as top, and after setting it as top, the same thing we will do in simulation file, that is simulation sources. You have to set decoder 3 cross 8 as top, and then we will click the schematic button on the left side. In the RTR analysis, click the schematic button. After clicking the schematic button, you will get a reload button here, so click reload. When you will click reload button, you will get the diagram or the schematic for 3x8 using 2x4 decoder. So here we can see that two cross 4 decoder are used for creating a 3x8 decoder. Similarly, you can run the simulation. So click on run simulation, click on run behavioral simulation, and when you will click run behavioral simulation, you will get the same video as we got in the previous videos. So here we have to set these 3 bits of A, and automatically we will get after doing force clock to these 3 inputs, we will get the 8 outputs. So you can do that. So thank you. Now we will see the next code in the next video.